In a very busy and famous city called Heart, there's a magnificent network of roads and rivers that keeps everything alive and pumping. Let's embark on a journey through this city to understand the captivating tale of its blood supply and venous drainage. Our story begins at the heart main entrance, the right atrium. This chamber receives used, oxygen-depleted blood from all over the body. The dark river is represented by two major veins, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. These rivers carry the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. As we step inside, we find ourselves in the right ventricle. Here, the dark river blood is squeezed, propelled forward into the lung expressway. This expressway is actually the pulmonary artery. Despite its name, it carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it will exchange its carbon dioxide for fresh oxygen. Now, let's follow the oxygen highway as we backtrack our steps from the lungs. Fresh, oxygen-rich blood flows through the pulmonary veins, which are 4 in number. These veins paint the left atrium with vibrancy and life. As we move deeper into the heart, we reach the left ventricle, a muscular powerhouse. The oxygenated blood is pushed out into the arterial street, also known as the aorta. This grand artery curves around the heart, branching into smaller roads that lead to various parts of the body. But what about the heart itself? It needs to nourish its own tissues, too. Here comes the coronary cruise, a network of tiny blood vessels known as coronary arteries. These arteries ensure that the heart muscles receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to keep the heart pumping rhythmically. As the arterial branches spread throughout the heart, they fuel its constant rhythm. But every journey comes to an end, and in the heart's case, it's time to return the blood to its starting point. The coronary collectors are a system of veins that gather the used blood from the heart tissues. These veins merge to form the great cardiac canal, which empties into the right atrium through the coronary sinus. This marks the completion of our cycle, as the deoxygenated blood rejoins the dark river and begins its journey anew. In the heart complex cityscape, the blood supply and venous drainage weave together to sustain the vital rhythm of life.